Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Ada Jazz. Today I'm going to teach you how to prep green beans and saute them using olive oil, minced garlic, and unsalted butter seasoned with black pepper and salt. Let's get cooking. I went ahead and I washed and rinsed my green beans. I'm going to go ahead and prep them up for sauteing. Instead of trimming the green beans one by one, you want to grab a bunch of green beans, as many as you can fit in your hand, and you're going to lay them out in the cutting board. Now you want to make sure that you have the stems, they look like this. You want to have the stems lined up equally. I have my green beans all paired up here. Now with my cutting knife, I'm going to bundle them up together. And then I'm going to chop them like so. When you are chopping your green beans or any type of vegetable, please be careful. I don't want you to cut yourself here. Now we're gonna take them from the other side, line them up. The easiest way to line up is by grabbing your pair of knife, and then you're going to line them up like this, right? Now we're gonna go ahead and chop them. It's okay if they come out in different sizes. It's not really a big deal. As long as you have the stems trimmed from your green beans, that's all really, that's what matters, because green beans, they come in all different sizes. As you can see, for example, this green bean is long while this green bean is short. So it doesn't really matter, guys. Just take your time and have fun with it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the rest. And just to let you know, I am working with 1 pound of green beans. You can either work with less. You can use half a pound if you like, or half a cup. It doesn't really matter. It's up to your preference. I love green beans, so therefore I use 1 pound. And they're really good with mashed potatoes. I went ahead and I made a video on how to cook mashed potatoes. If you guys want to see that video, I'm gonna go ahead and link it on the description box. I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. Let me know what you guys are doing right now. I really want to know. I'm interested in knowing. Aside from prepping these green beans and teaching you how to cook them, I'm actually on my way. Well, not on my way, but I need to go ahead and I need to pack because I'm going on a little small vacation with my husband, and it's going to be fun. A really random question. If you had the opportunity to travel around the world, What would be the country you would want to visit the most? Or the state? Let me know in the comments below. I always think about this question, and I always think of, well, if I had the opportunity to visit any country I would like, I would always want to go to Hawaii. Look at the beautiful beaches. Learn how to surf one day. I know this is a really random question, guys, like but I like to think these type of questions because, you know, they're like my motivation. You know, hopefully one day I do end up going to Hawaii. It would be fun, you know? Alright, last round. I think another place, well, yeah, another country or place I would want to visit, the Bahamas, perhaps. Anything with the beach in it, it's where I want to go. The beach relaxes me. I love it. It's fun to hang out, you know, and aside from that, but you get like a beautiful tan. So there you have it. This is what your green beans will look like. It's fresh, cut up, trimmed, washed and rinsed. I'm gonna go ahead and start heating up my saute pan, and I'll show you what that will look like as well. The next step you want to do is heat up 1 tablespoon of olive oil onto your skillet. Turn up your heat into medium-high heat, and you're going to wait a little bit until the olive oil is ready to go. Now while I have my green beans sauteing in the olive oil, I'm going to cut up 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and throw it in there as well. I am going to add the black pepper and salt. It's really good because I can smell the black pepper. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the garlic. They're pretty much cooked and they're ready to be plated. This is what sauteed green beans will look like. Saute them for 3 to 5 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone is having a wonderful and blessed day. I'll see you next time. Bye.